Back at it with the, boy, I forget how long ago I got off eBay, but this is one of my, not my first, but another one of those risky, screens not working, um, broken laptop part for repair, and wound up just being the LCD connector, which is behind this LCD screen. And when it's not seated correctly, the backlight doesn't turn on. So you can sometimes under light or shine a flashlight and see if it's powering up. If it seems like, the light's coming on, the green or red light, then, you might, odds are the backlight, the cable is a big issue. Anyways, special thanks out to this Joshua Eiley laptop screen replacement. I'm going to update my iFixit and note because I couldn't remember what I did exactly to remove the screws, and these bottom ones using a flat blade screwdriver he details. So, anyways, second time doing this repair and still successful. So check out Joshua's video for more details. And save, save, save. Don't throw something away. It might be perfectly good. And you'd be surprised with some of these, not only laptop screens, there might just be a connection, issue that you need to restore. So seat properly. I also used a little masking tape on that connector to keep that together. So, okay. Bye for now.